children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Today is Friday and it is 12. Okay. Yesterday you enjoyed your festival, right? Yesterday was which festival? It's a Shivaratri. Yes, no? It's a festival of God Shiva. That day what you will do? We will be all day we will do the puja of Shiva. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಶಿವನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಜಾಗರಣೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನೋಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಲಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಮೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಉಪವಾಸ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು ಜಾಗರಣೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜಾಗರಣೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಓಲ್ ಡೇ ಶಿವಂದೇ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಶಿವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರೋ ಕಥೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೆಂಡಾಲ್ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅದರದೆಲ್ಲ ಐದರ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನರೇಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಅದನ್ನು ಹರಿಕತೆ ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು ಓಪನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೋಲ್ ನೈಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. This is the speciality of Shivaratri. Okay, the Shivaratri is a festival of a Lord Shiva. Avadalla? Yes. Okay. Then what else, children? How was your day? You also enjoyed yesterday. What and all food you had? What and all special mama prepared? All the sweets you had? Yes. I think you all enjoyed yesterday. Okay, shall we start our class, today's class? Are you ready? I am requesting you to attend the class on day by day basis. Please watch carefully and then you start writing your homework. Don't write by blinding your eyes. Simply writing homework is no use. You have to first read, then you have to understand. Afterwards, you have to complete your homework, children. Okay? Yes. Now, shall we start our class with the, as usual, English. In the English, we were learning cursive writing. In that, we were learning 3-letter words. Yesterday we learned A and E. Yesterday we learned A and E. Correct? No? Cursive writing. Today we are going to learn IT and OT family. IT and OT family, like bit, lit, sit, fit. Bit, lit, sit and fit. This is a family belongs to IT. Next we will move to OT family. Cot, rod, lot, pot. Cot, rod, lot and the pot. You know the meaning of the cot. It's a place where we will sleep. Then a rod. The final stage of the ripening of the fruit is called a rod. Okay. And lot. Lot means many, plenty. The meaning of that, another meaning is lot. Pot is a one object where we will grow the plants. It is called a pot. You all understood, no? Like that, bit, lit, sit, fit, or that is also meaning like bit. Bit is little bit. We will tell, no? It's a quantity in a small one. Lit is nothing but another meaning for the light. Okay? Then sit. It's a position where we will take the rest. Sit down. We will tell, no, like that. Next, fit. Every time we will tell no, you should be fit and fine means you should be healthy. That one also it will come. Another one, the dress has to fit to your body, like that. Or fit a cloth to your wardrobe. You have to fit your clothes to your wardrobe, like that. It's a adjustment. That is called a fitness. Okay. This is what we learned today. The homework is, please open your cursive writing book. Complete your page number 52 in your cursive writing book. What they are given there? Bit, fit, it and kit. Bit, fit, hit and the kit. Next one, in the OT family they are given cot, dot, hot, knot. Cot, dot, hot and knot. This is the two families today we learned, IT family and OT family. The homework already given to you. You have to look into that. Okay. Using the same thing, can we learn some special word that is called a rhyming word? The next chapter and next portion for English is our rhyming words. Rhyming words. What do you mean by rhyming words? When learning our CBC words, 3-letter words, vowels, I taught you regarding this rhyming words. What is that rhyming words? Rhyming ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Example, if I tell bat, what is the rhyming words for bat? It's a cat. Rat, mat. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕೋ ಆದಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ IN family, pin, tin, lin. Bin, tin, fin. Like that. It will come in a IN family. Okay, like that. OT family, if you go to OT family, it will like, you can write like pot, hot, rot. Pot, hot, rot. Okay, like that you can hear the same voice again and again. That is called a rhyming word. Okay, if I take some example like light. ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು? ಫೈಟ್. ಲೈಟ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಫೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಟ್. The rhyming word of light is light. Okay, rhyme light. If I take moon, soon. Okay, only this will change. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್, ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಮೂನ್, ಸೂನ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಫೋನಿಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಥಿಮ್, ಲಿಮ್. ಥಿಮ್, ಲಿಮ್. ಥಿಮ್, ಇಮ್, ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ work in activity in our reading readiness book. Please open your reading readiness book, page number 39 and 40. Okay, 39 and 40. Words which end with the same sound like hall and ball are called rhyming words. Read aloud the pair of rhyming words. Words which end with the same sound like all and ball are called rhyming words. Read aloud the pair of rhyming words. What they are given? First you have to write your name. Then you have to put the date. Today's date is 12th. Okay. The first one is mug, bug, mug, bug. Next one is hen, hen, ten. Boy, toy, boy, toy. ಅಂದ್ರೆ rhyming words ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಬರೀ beginning consonant, only the phonic sound of the beginning consonant will be the change. The last consonants will be the same. That is called a rhyming words. Then next activity is circle the picture in the row that rhyme with the first one in the box. They are given one pictures in the first box, that is like bat. You have to circle the another picture. What is that? Ball, hat, apple. Ball, hat, apple. You have to circle the hat. H-A-T, hat. Okay. Like that you have to complete the page number 39. Next is match the rhyming words. In the page number 40, you have to match the rhyming words. Like mix, you have to find out which will match with the mix. That is 6. Only the spelling beginning consonant is changed from mix to 6. So you have to match that rhyming word with the 6. Write the corresponding rhyming words like mug, bug, anything. You can write whichever you want. Next is mad cat. You can write a bad, fat, like that. Write the corresponding rhyming words for the UG family and AT family. Before that, first you have to write the name, then you have to put the date, and you have to complete the page number 39 and 40. Okay? Understood, children? This is your English. Now we will move to our next class, that is which class? That is our mathematics. In that we were learning addition, and subtraction. Addition and also the subtraction. Okay. What do you mean by addition? Addition means becoming more. Okay. Addition, add is nothing but the symbol of add is plus. Plus, correct alla? That is equal to more. Andre addition andre 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Addition ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Addition, that is called addition. If you have 3 apples, mama gave you 2 apples extra, then the apples will be more, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಆಪಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಮ್ಮ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಆಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಪಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಪಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That will be more. Addition is nothing but a more. Like that. Subtraction. The symbol is one sleeping line. That is called a subtraction. In the subtraction, the quantity or the object will be less. It will become less. If you have 3 apples, if you give 1 apple to your mama, then the apple with you will be less. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 3 ಆಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಮ್ಮ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಪಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಆಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೀ 3 ಆಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ನೀವೇ 1 ಆಪಲ್ ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ, ಗಿವ್ ಅವೇ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. The objects will become a less. Today we are going to learn with few examples. Okay. First one for addition. I have 4 pencils. Mom gave 2 pencils. Okay. How many pencils are there in all? Okay, I have 4 pencils. See, I will take with the example of this chalk piece only for you. Okay, I have 4. Assume that this is a pencil. Okay, assume that this is a pencil. How many pencils I have? I mean chalk pieces. 4. I have the 4 pencils. With that, if Mama gives me 2 chalk pieces extra for me. Mom gave 2 pencils extra. Okay, so I will join this with me. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how I can write this? This is like 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? That we don't know, no? This we can do using our line method. Okay, what is that? Line method. That is 4. For 4, how many lines you have to put? 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2, how many lines? 1, 2. Now, totally you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. You can count like this. Okay, you should not strike out, because if you strike out, that will become a subtraction. Okay, the 4 lines and 2 lines, it will give you an answer 6. If you can retally the same thing. Okay, you can retally the same thing. Okay, yes, it's in your regular basis. You can add it. How? Keep 4 in your mind. In your mind, you have to keep 4. 2 in your fingers. 2 in your fingers. Now start counting. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Like that you can count orally, children. Okay. I have, again I am revising the same thing. I have 4 pencils. Mom gave 2 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Totally how many pencils are there in all? Okay, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. I have taken 4 with the 4 lines, 2 with the 2 lines. Don't strike out. Same thing you have to brought down. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally you have the 6 pencils together. Okay, understood now? Yes. Like that, we will do another one example for the subtraction also. Okay. I have 4 apples. I ate 2 apples. have 4 apples. I hate 2 apples. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 4 ಆಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು 2 ಆಪಲ್ ನ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಾನೆ. I have 4 apples. I ate 2 apples. Okay. Now how many apples I have? See, I will do the same thing. First let the equation 4 minus 2 is equal to how much? That I don't know. Okay, 4 minus 2 that is equal to how much? That we will write with the number of lines only. 4. How many lines I have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 in the sense you have to strike out the 2 pencils. I mean 2 apples. So you have to strike out 1, 2. Like this you have to strike out 1, 2. Now remaining you have to draw down 1, 2. The answer is 2. Understood, children? Yes? Yes. I have 4 apples. I ate 2 apples. How many apples left with me? 4 minus 2, that is also 2 is the answer. 4 minus 2. Okay? I have 4 apples. I ate 2 apples. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 4 apples ಇದೆ, ನಾನು 2 ಆಪಲ್ ನ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So I have the apples in me and what I am having it should be less. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ತಿಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಆಪಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಪಲ್, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಪಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So how many apples left with him? That is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. In the subtraction only you need to cross it off. Okay? Yes? I think you have understood, no? Yes. Same thing if you work it at home, you will come to know how you can do. Okay? Please open your mathematics readiness book. The homework is in that add or subtract, solve the problems, review. It's in the sense it's a revision. I saw 4 elephants, then 2 more elephants joined in. How many elephants are there in all? Andre I saw ನಾನು 4 ಆನೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 2 ಆನೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಇರೋ ಆನೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So you have to do the addition. I saw 8 crabs, then 5 crab went away. ನಾನು 8 crab ನ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 crab ಓಡೋಯ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡೋಯ್ತು. So how many crabs are there now? You have to minus it off. Went away, go away, let away, fell down or remove, take away ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. If you do this problem thoroughly, you will come to know what is the meaning of add on and what is the meaning of coming, more, less, add on. Like this it will come to add and left away, go away, flew down, flew away, ಅಥವಾ cut down, ಅಥವಾ I ate, it become less ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು subtract ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Okay, you just go through that. Okay, the next part is our creative craft. Okay, page number 34 and the 35. Both the pages you have to do. In the page number 34 they are given princess crown. Paste star and glitters to decorate the crown of princess. You can take some glitter papers and also star. If you don't have the glitter paper, you can decorate with any glitters. Okay, this is your choice, you have to do it out. Princess crown. Okay, I think they have given some clue in the pages. Okay, star and letters pasting, page 34. At that glance they are given how it will look, you can do it. Okay, next is page number 35, lion and the mouse. Recall the story of lion and the mouse. Color them with crayons as shown. They are shown here how you have to color it off. Recall the story Lion and the Mouse. Today I am going to read you the small story The Lion and the Mouse. Okay, just I will start reading little bit fastly because you all know the story of that. Okay, once a mouse ran over a lion. He woke up angrily. Once a mouse ran over a lion. ಒಂದು ಮೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ರ್ಯಾನ್ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಲಯನ್. ಲಯನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಓಡೋಯ್ತು. ಲಯನ್ ಏನಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತು. ದ ಲಯನ್ ಗಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ. ಈ ರೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ಮೌಸ್. ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಲಯನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲಯನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪ ಬಂತು. ಅದು ರೋರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಗರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಮೌಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. The mouse begged before the lion to spare his life. He promised the lion to repay his kindness if he was set free. ಕೋಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಲಯನ್ ಮೌಸ್ನ? ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ನಿದ್ದೆಗೆಡಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ರ್ಯಾಟ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ದ ಲಯನ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಮೌಸ್. He released it. The mouse went away happy. Okay, lion ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ನಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Let the mouse. He released it. The mouse went away happily. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು ಲಯನ್? ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಲಯನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ವಾ, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಲಯನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಹಂಟರ್ಸ್, ಈ ಗಾಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ನೆಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಲಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಳ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದ ಲಯನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ದ ಮೌಸ್ ರಿಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೌಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಲಯನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಮೌಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಗರ್ಜನೆ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನೆಟ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಲಯನ್ ಇದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಮೌಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೈಸ್. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೆಟ್. ಮೌಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂತು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಆ ನೆಟ್ನ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ದ ನೆಟ್ ವಾಸ್ gnawed. ದ ಲಯನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್. ಈ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದ ಮೌಸ್. ನೆಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅರ್ಧೋಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಅರ್ಧೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲಯನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಆ ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಈ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದ ಮೌಸ್. ಮೌಸ್ನ ಲಯನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ದ ಮೌಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಯನ್ became good friends. Okay, okay children, the mouse and the lion became good friends. Okay, this is the story The Lion and the Mouse. Okay, enjoy today's day. Take care. Bye.